Pag-usapan natin ang the two important questions you need to ask yourself mula sa librong The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. Unang tanong, what if you die too soon? Paano pag breadwinner ka, marami kang dependents? Paano ang pamilya mo? And who will take care of your family? And pangalawang question, what if you live too long? Ang haba ng buhay mo. Paano ka sa retirement age mo? Who will take care of you? Kaya ang solusyon natin, if you die too soon, magkaroon ka ng life insurance kasi life insurance will take care of your family. Malaking bagay yung marireceive ng pamilya natin, yung insurance coverage natin. And pangalawang solusyon, if you live too long, kailangan natin ng investment and long-term care that will take care of you. Kaya importante talaga, meron tayo ng tatlong major financial needs natin: income protection or life insurance, investment, and long-term healthcare. And maraming nagsisimula sa Kaiser, kagaya ko sinimulan ko noong 2012 kasi dito tatlo na yung meron tayo. Meron tayong healthcare, life insurance, at investment. Yung tatlong kailangan natin na para masagot yung dalawang risk sa buhay natin. If we live too long, meron tayong magagamit na investment at healthcare. If we die too soon naman, may life insurance tayo. To know more about Kaiser, message mo na ako sa FB, Rohan Celis Capistrano.